Hey, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. So today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to calculate the front and the back crotch extension while making a pants or trouser. So for the front crotch extension, the formula I use, which works perfectly for me, is the hip measurement divided by 4 times 15 divided by 100. So example, I'll be making use of a 28 inches hip circumference. So I'll divide it by 4. I'll have 7. So 7 times 15 is equal to 105. 105 divided by 100, I will have 1.05, which is approximately 1.1 inches. So for a hip measurement of 24 inches, the front crotch extension is 1.1 inches. Then for the back crotch extension, there are two formulas for getting the back crotch extension. I will show you the first one. Just like the front crotch extension, hip measurement divided by 4 times 45 divided by 100. So 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. 7 times 45 equals to 315. So 315 divide by 100. Remember, for the front one, we divided the hip by 4 and multiply it by 15, but for the back you multiply by 45. So this is what I have for the back crotch extension. So to show you the second formula, which is also simple, is for the back, you get the front crotch extension multiplied by 3. So once you've gotten your front crotch extension, for example, here I have 105. So I'll be making use of this 105. I'll multiply it by 3 and I'll have 315. So 315 divided by 100, I'll have 3.15, which is approximately 3.2 inches. You see, the same formula, the same result, but two different formulas. So I hope you learned something from this.